friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you watching Momy Tech. Today I am going to tell you how to clear search and watch history on your YouTube channel. So friend, without wasting your time, let's begin. Friend, open your YouTube, select open your YouTube, then friend select setting. See friend, select history and privacy. See friend, first option clear history, clear watch history. Tap clear watch history. See friend, your YouTube channel history will be cleared from your YouTube app on your device. So friend, tap clear watch history. Watch history cleared. See friend, then select search history. Again, your YouTube search history will be cleared from YouTube apps on your device. Tap clear search history. See friend, search history cleared. Now you can see all your watch and search history has been cleared. So friend, in this way you can clear this history of your iPhone. Friend, hopefully you like this video. If you like, then share this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.